Have you ever had your eyes on the latest pair of shoes, getting a front row seat at the coolest concert, and thinking of going on your dream vacation? These experiences shape a big part of our life. They shape who we are and what we enjoy doing. And they even shape a pretty big part of our finances. And as founder of FinLit for Teens, my mission is to empower and educate you on the basics of finance so you can start on a path to financial freedom. As a helpful tool along your journey, I've created FinLit in a Minute. It's a series of videos, 1 minute or less, that explain the basics of finance like savings, budgeting, investing, and more. So join me and let's get FinLit together, in a minute, of course. And speaking of a minute, looks like my time's almost up. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and comment any questions or topics you'd like to see.